What up, Transformer fans? This is JSAwbot 101 here, and I'm here with the very first unboxing video. Here I have with a little package, and we're gonna see what it is. So let's unbox it. Alright, since I don't have anything to use, I'm gonna use brute strength. Alright, let me start right here. 1 second, folks. 1 second, folks. Might take a little bit. So I'm gonna put the camera right on the bed so I can get it open. Oh. Anyway. Yeah, I'm still trying to open it. Alright. Got it open. Ooh, what is this? Got some newspaper. Let's open the bag. Open the bag. And we have Transformers Generations Drift. Holy crap. Generations Drift. It even comes with a sword. Yeah, I've been waiting this for like a week. Yeah. This right here is epic. I've been wanting this figure for a while because of how cool he was, about his story and stuff. That's how much I wanted that figure. Comes with this little sword. So I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video. This is my first. There will be more coming up soon. I hope you enjoyed it. Anyway, this is JSAwbot 101 signing out. Please subscribe, comment, like my videos. Bye.